Everyone, welcome to biology class. In this class, we are going to see 11th standard botany, chapter 4, reproductive morphology. In this part of the video, we are going to discuss about the seeds. So, do all fruits contain seeds? No. The triploid fruits do not. What are triploid fruits? The fruits that possess 3 sets of chromosomes are referred to as triploid fruits. So, the triploid fruits do not contain seeds. What is a seed? So, in flowering plants, sexual reproduction takes place by 2 events, pollination and fertilization. So, once the fertilization process is done, the ovary will transform into a fruit and ovule will transform into a seed. So, thus, you can define seed as a fertilized mature ovule. So, this seed will possess an embryonic plant and it usually stores food material, and the seed have a protective coat. So, this protective coat is derived from the integument of the ovule. So, seed is a fertilized mature ovule. It contains embryonic plant, also food material, and has a protective coat. So, after the process of fertilization, the changes occur in the various parts of the ovule, and thereby the ovule will transform into a seed. Let's see the types of seed. Based on the number of cotyledons, 2 types of seeds are recognized. So, number 1, dicotyledonous seed, seed with 2 cotyledon, and monocotyledonous seed, seed with 1 cotyledon. So, dicot seeds are nothing but seeds with 2 cotyledons, and monocot seed is nothing but seeds with only 1 cotyledon. Cotyledons are nothing but, here you could see the first formed leaf-like structure is referred to as a cotyledon. So, those that possess 2 cotyledon, they are referred to as dicotyledon, and those possess only 1 cotyledon is referred to as a monocotyledon. The next classification is based on the presence or absence of endosperm. So, endosperm is nothing but a nutritive tissue. So, the endosperm is derived as a result of the double fertilization process. So, in case of angiosperms, double fertilization takes place. That is, one sperm fuses with the egg, resulting in the formation of a zygote, and the second sperm fuses with the secondary nucleus, resulting in the formation of the endosperm, which is the nutritive tissue. Now, let's see, based on the endosperm, how the seeds are classified. So, based on the presence of endosperm, the seeds are classified into endospermous seed, otherwise referred to as albuminous seed, and non-endospermous seed, otherwise referred to as ex-albuminous seed. The cotyledons of the endospermous seed, they are thin, they are membranous, and the mature seeds have endosperm persistent. Okay, so it is present and nourishes the seedling during its early development. So, the seeds are nourished by the endosperm which is contained in the seed. Such seed which have the endosperm, they are referred to as endospermous seed. And example they have given: castor, sunflower, maize. So, here you could see the endosperm. So, this endosperm is giving the nourishment for the seedling during its early development. Whereas, in case of ex-albuminous or non-endospermous seed, the food that is contained, the nutrition that is contained in the seed will be utilized by the developing embryo. Okay, so when it is developing itself, the embryo is utilizing all the food. So when the seed is mature, the seed will not have any endosperm. So in such seeds, the cotyledons starts to store food and become thick and fleshy. So the cotyledons for the growth of the plant, the food stored in the cotyledon is utilized. Example, peas and groundnut. So in this slide, we have seen what is a seed. So seed is a fertilized and mature ovule, and the seed is going to possess embryonic plant, and it contains food material and protective coat. And we have seen the types of seed. One is based upon the number of cotyledons as a monocotyledonous and dicotyledonous seed, and the other is based upon the presence or absence of endosperm, endospermous seed and non-endospermous seed. Now let's see the significance of seed. Okay, even this can be asked as functions of seeds also. The seed encloses and protects the embryo for the next generation. Okay, so it is going to protect. Okay, inside the seed only you have the embryo, and hence a seed is going to protect the embryo, and it contains food. So the seed is known to contain food, and using the food only the embryo develops, and it is a means for dispersal. So for the production of new individuals, it is going to be produced during from the seeds. So seeds act as a means for dispersal, and seed is a means for perpetuation of the species, that is for the continuation of the species. Seed is helpful, and the seed may lie dormant during unfavorable condition. Okay, unfavorable means the conditions are not suitable. Such a condition, the seed will remain dormant. Okay, dormant is nothing but, okay, it is found in the resting state, but the seed can germinate on getting suitable condition. The seed can germinate. Germinates mean it can give rise to a seedling. And seeds of various plants are used as food both for animals and men. Okay, several seeds we consume as food. For example, paddy. Okay, so rice we will consume as a food. And seeds are the basis of agriculture. So for the agriculture, for growing of the crops, we use the seeds. So they are the basis of agriculture. And seeds are the product of sexual reproduction. Okay, so as a result of sexual reproduction only the seeds are produced. So they provide genetic variation and recombination in a plant. So these are the significance of seeds. Next, do you know Lupinus arcticus, legume family of Arctic tundra, is the oldest viable seed. Viable means active seed. And it remained dormant for 10,000 years. So it is active and it is remained dormant under resting condition for 10,000 years. And Phoenix dactylifera, date palm of King Herod's palace near Dead Sea, has viable seed for 20,000 years. So even for 20,000 years the seed may remain viable, that is active. And the powdered seeds of Moringa oleifera is used to purify the water. So for purification of water they are using the powdered seeds of Moringa. So in this class we have seen about the seeds, the types of seeds based on the number of cotyledons and based on the presence or absence of endosperm, and also we have seen about the significance of seeds. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.